friends, I'm Carrie and welcome back to my channel Creative Carrie. Before we start, I would request you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest updates. So today, we will learn about the circulatory system in our body, which is very important for us as it transports all the required elements to our body parts. So let's start. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries, and blood. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body and removes waste materials. The rest help in carrying the blood around the body. Heart. The heart is made up of muscles. It is about the size of your fists and is located between the lungs in your chest cavity. The heart is a pump, usually beating about 60 to 100 times per minute. With each heartbeat, the heart sends the blood throughout our body, carrying oxygen to every cell. After delivering the oxygen, the blood returns to the heart. The heart then sends the blood to lungs to pick up more oxygen. Now, let's learn about the circulation of blood through the body. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 upper chambers and 2 lower chambers. There is a muscular wall that separates the left and the right sides of the heart. There are walls inside the heart that allow blood to flow through the upper chamber to the lower chamber, but not in the opposite direction. The heart beats continuously to pump blood to all parts of the body. This is done through a system of pipe-like structures called arteries. The right side of the heart receives blood from all parts of the body through the vena cava. This blood containing less oxygen passes to the lungs for purification through the pulmonary artery. The left side of the heart receives fresh blood from the lungs through the pulmonary vein. This blood is carried by the aorta and other arteries to the different organs of the body. Now, the next topic is stethoscope. A stethoscope is a device that helps physicians listen to the internal organ such as lungs, heart, and bowel sound, and it is also used to check blood pressure. It helps to amplify the internal sounds. Blood vessels. The blood vessels are thick or thin tube-like structures through which the blood is carried throughout the body. There are mainly 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Let's learn about each of them. Arteries. The heart pumps blood into the arteries. The arteries are like pipes with thick walls. The arteries lie deep inside the body parts. They can stand the pressure produced by the blood being pumped by the heart. Arteries carry blood to all parts of the body. This blood contains oxygen and nutrients and is bright red in color. The pulmonary artery, however, carries blood low in oxygen to the lungs. Vein. The blood flows back to the heart through the veins. Veins have thinner walls than arteries. They lie closer to the surface of the skin. The blood they carry contains less oxygen and is reddish blue in color. The pulmonary vein, however, carries blood rich in oxygen to the heart for transportation. Veins are very easy to spot. They stand out as blue lines. They are especially clear in hands of elderly people. The next blood vessel is capillaries. Each artery branches 15 to 20 times, becoming smaller and thinner each time. This, in turn, divides into a network of very thin blood vessels with thin walls called capillaries. The capillaries cover the lungs, intestines, and other parts of the body. The very thin walls help in the exchange of gases, nutrients, and wastes. The capillary network then joins together to form veins that carry blood back to the heart. Now, let's learn about the next important topic of the circulatory system, which is the blood. You must have cut yourself quite often and seen blood flow out, no matter what the place the cut is. Blood is the liquid that flows all over the body, carrying oxygen, nutrients, wastes, materials. It is red in color and keeps circulating in the body through the blood vessels. Blood transports oxygen to various body parts and brings back carbon dioxide to the lungs. It also carries digested food to the different parts of the body. Besides carbon dioxide, blood carries other waste materials produced by the body. These are removed by the excretory system. It is made up of two components, a liquid part called plasma and three types of cells, the red blood cells or RBC, the white blood cells or WBC, and platelets. The red blood cells or erythrocytes carry oxygen to various body parts and bring back carbon dioxide for removal from the body. White blood cells, also known as leukocytes, protect the body from infection by destroying the germs. The platelets, also known as thrombocytes, help in blood clotting at the site of the injury. Now let's learn about an interesting topic in the circulatory system. It's the pulse rate. Now, the heart pumps blood by contraction and relaxation. This cycle of contraction and relaxation is felt as a heartbeat. You can feel your heartbeat when you put your hand on your chest. Each heartbeat is also felt as a throbbing within the arteries when the blood flows through. You can feel the throbbing on the wrists and on the inside of your elbow. Feel these two places with two fingers. This throbbing is called the pulse. You can measure the pulse rate in the same way as your heartbeat. This is given by the number of beats per minute. So, with this, I come to an end to the topic of circulatory system. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll meet again soon. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Bye.